Right, this is the treatment I paid for at the cat clinic for Harry's digestive problems. And I've got to bend those tabs there and squirt some out that I mix up into his food. And there it goes, and those tabs then stop. So that's one a day. I mix it up with his food and I feed it to him, and he doesn't notice that it's in there. I have to give it a good mix. I'm not going to feed him this mix because I can't do it one-handed. But I just wanted to let you know that we are looking after him. This will help with his digestion. There's been a lot of things going on. We've had to rehydrate him, get him some really good quality food. And you can see this food's really good quality. It's meat. And we also feed him raw chicken, as I've mentioned before, that he loves. Gets a lot of energy from that. But the hydration comes from the gravy and this gourmet food. Just not cheap. But you're not cheap either, are you? You're not cheap. And you're not cheap. You're high maintenance. And that's alright. Only the best for you. Where's Ninja? Where's Ninja? It's lunchtime. Ninja is nowhere to be seen. So, while you're waiting patiently, as you always do, and your food is coming, mister, I'm surprised Ninja's not smashing the kitchen down. And you're always a good boy, aren't you, Harry? You're always a good boy waiting for your dinner. You don't cause any trouble, but Ninja would be in my face right now if he was in. Trying to get into this muck. It's not muck. No, I lied. It's not muck. It's not muck. It's a beautiful, best food you could ever possibly have. Marvel. Oh, look at those teeth. Hello. Hello, beautiful boy. Hello, beautiful boy. Hello. Yeah, I love you too. Oh, get off. All right, then. I'll get off. All right, Harry. Round 2 is coming. Don't you worry. Round 2's coming. No one's going to get it. Ninja's not in. You can eat peacefully, the two of you. When Ninja does come in, there'll be carnage. But I can deal with him separately, can't I? Yes, I can. Right, that's that. Medication time.